Hectic vids.
This is a hectic vids review of the, we're not really sure of the year, Honda Civic.
Yeah, Honda Civic. Looks like it's gutted. It's got a giant spoiler on the back. Show the spoiler. It's lowered.
You can hear that thing jumping around.
It's standard shift. It's fast. Whoa, it jerked second. Woo! Wow, let's get the windows up. The windows work. It's got the... Alright guys, we're in the Civic. It's probably like an 01, 02 Civic, 4-cylinder, 5-speed. Not too bad, you know. It'll go through the gears. It moves, you know, slowly. Slower than the Benz. The heat works. I mean,
Hectic vids review of the 01 Civic, part 3.
Alright, so this thing drives.
Go.
Alright. So right now we're in the Civic, driving it, and it's got no power steering. That's a little problem. Oh, we got my boy Brody. Hell yeah, and the Duramax review coming soon. But anyways, it's a 5-speed. The shifter is really, it seems like it needs a shifter bearing, like a housing bearing or something. It just seems a little fucked, but otherwise it shifts smooth, goes through every gear, you know. We'll do a little second gear pull, 40 roll, see how it does. Not bad. Not bad. Here, let's head back to the meet. Hold on, we'll do a 0 roll too. We'll do first gear pull. Holy shit. All right. Single cam jingle. Not too bad for an NA Civic. This will get you street cred. Yeah, shifts smooth. Shifts like a Honda would. Not bad.
Not to mention the fact that this is somebody at a car show's car. He just let us take it out for a spin.
Yeah, we'll be pulling back up shortly. Fresh out from the car show, this guy's going.
The suspension, honestly, sounds a little rockety. Give it a little test on the struts. Woo!
Seems a little rickety.
Seems a little rickety-rockety.
Might be chopped springs. We'll ask. We'll get a owner interview coming up next. Here, end it.